Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Kosori Personal Blender for crushing ice. I use it every day and put it through the paces, making my bulletproof coffee in the morning and a smoothie later in the day. It blends trough ice and fruit and whatever with ease. I use it over a year and is still as good as new. There are presets and multiple cups to use. It has incredible power. The materials are BPA free so you can put food in safely, and the operation is secure with its interlocking system and suction cup face. All the accessories are more durable and more safe with food grade materials. 6 stainless blade assemble including hidden sharp edge, blunt blade and whole blade. No need to give in to temptation while you're out on the road. Simply mix up a delicious fruit or veggie smoothie or protein drink at home and take it with you. Auto mode blends ingredients in 3 seconds intervals with 1 second breaks, shut off after working 10 times. Press and hold the pulse button to blend ingredients at the highest speed. Number 2 in this best personal blender for crushing ice list is KitchenAid K150 Personal Blender. I bought this to make smoothies using frozen fruit and oat milk. It works great. I like how it ramps up to speed over 2 seconds so it doesn't just send everything flying. It also looks very sharp on my counter and the pitcher is very easy to clean. This blender features an optimally designed ice crush setting, or choose any one of the 3 speed options, to achieve ideal taste, texture, and consistency. The unique asymmetric blade blends at 4 distinct angles to pull ice into the center for ultimate crushing. Starts the motor at a slower speed to pull ingredients into the blade, then it quickly increases to the selected speed setting to avoid splatter. Senses contents and maintains the optimal speed to power through all of your ingredients. 3 optimally designed speeds for your perfect blend, plus an ice crush setting, for the versatility to create your perfect blend, no matter the ingredients. The motor automatically starts at a slower speed to pull ingredients into the blade, then quickly increases to the selected speed to avoid splatter. Speed motor control automatically senses contents and maintains the optimal speed to power through all of your ingredients. For details, let's watch more. Our third choice is Cuisinart Ice 30BC Personal Blender. This is a very good ice cream machine for its class. This is my first ice cream maker. It is almost as good as they say in the description, makes great frozen treats, the only discrepancy is the time. It seems to be about double what they say, usually it seems to take 45 to 60 minutes to make. I like that it is pretty easy, I don't have to worry about the ice and rock salt, you just have to plan ahead so that the container is frozen. The machine is surprisingly quiet. Housed in brushed stainless steel with an embossed logo, this fully automatic small appliance makes frozen yogurt, juice, and homemade ice cream in as little as 25 minutes. The frozen dessert maker features a heavy-duty motor and a double insulated freezer bowl that holds up to 2 quarts of frozen dessert at a time. Simply add ingredients, turn the machine on, and frozen drinks and desserts are ready in minutes. Its large ingredient spout allows for easily adding favorite mix-ins, and an instruction book and recipes come included. Its easy and integrated motor, double insulated freezer bowl and automatic mixing paddle do all the work. Results are consistently smooth, cleanup is easy, and the brushed metal styling is simply sensational. Your freezer should be set to 0 Fahrenheit to ensure proper freezing of all foods. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Pure Indulgence 2-quart frozen yogurt and ice cream maker. This product is a lot of fun to use. It's really easy to operate. First, you need to put your freezer bowl in the freezer. We recommend overnight at 0 degrees, and you put it right inside. You put your ingredients in here. You add your ice cream dasher, and this is what turns the ice cream as it freezes. You put your lid on, and you'll notice the lid has a little hole in it right here, where as your ice cream's almost finished, you can add in small pieces of fruit or chocolate chips or even a couple of small pieces of nuts. And after you get all your ingredients in, you just turn it on. It's beautifully designed. It has a stainless steel housing. And guess what? In 25 minutes, you're going to have fresh, flavorful ice cream or frozen yogurt right at home.
Fourth pick in this best personal blender for crushing ice list is Ninja BL660 Personal Blender. It works great and we love it. We like the individual cups much more than we thought we would. We make smoothies in them all the time and the cleanup is really simple. When we want to make something up in the bigger pitcher, it's a breeze as well. Both the cups and the pitcher clean up easily. The power behind both of these is better than any other blender we have ever had. This was a really good purchase and we recommend it to everyone looking at them. Blend your favorite frozen fruits directly into the cup, then simply twist on a lid to enjoy delicious smoothies on the go. With your Ninja Professional Blender, you can make all your favorite drinks, dips, and dressings. A powerful motor combined with the Pro Extractor Blades assembly breaks down whole fruits and veggies for refreshing, full-bodied nutrient juices. Professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1100-watt motor to make it easy to crush ice and pulverize tough ingredients. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free part single-serve blade assembly. For details, let's watch more.
Total crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Our fifth and last choice is our TODD Personal Blender. This blender is powerful, easy to clean and fits in my gym bag. I love it and wouldn't mind having two, one for my gym bag and one for the office. This blender is high quality, has long-lasting battery and really gets the job done. Perfect for a fast shake with a scoop full of ice, and I am happy to recharge after a tough workout. The ice crushing mode makes this smoothie maker stand out from the herd. Possibly the only portable blender on the market capable of blending ice cubes. The personal size blender is perfect to bring and blend in anywhere, for putting in your bag or taking to travel and office. Fully charged by Type-C cable, the juice blender can squeeze 15 cups of juice. With 6 sharp blades and an 85 watts motor, the personal blender can reach 25,000 revolutions per minute to easily blend tough food into a smoothie, protein shake, milkshake, juice, baby food, salad dressing. Double tap to turn on the smoothie blender to prevent accidental working. Automatically power off after blending to save energy and extended battery life. The shake blender will not work if you do not screw the lid properly. The portable blender bottle is made from BPA-free Triton material, which is tough enough to extend the useful life of water bottles and food containers. All components are baby food grade, ensure the purest taste of smoothies and juice. Unique clamshell design allows you to easily drink cool drinks. You can also plug in straw to enjoy homemade delicious milkshakes.